now, just when it started to gain some momentum, work to take down the defunct side of the Washington Bridge, the westbound side, has stopped.
State officials making the announcement yesterday. It's being met with mixed reaction by those who use the bridge and for the folks that live near it.
Erica Ritchie is live in East Providence this morning for us. So what are they saying, Erica?
Well, it's really like a tease, guys. You know, for every day we see progress of that bridge coming down, it's one day closer to seeing progress on a new bridge going up and alleviating so many of the frustrations that we've experienced over the last 10 months. So now to hear that work to bring that bridge down has come to a screeching halt is frustrating for at least one man we spoke with yesterday who says that he lives in Providence, works in East Providence, and he's not happy about this news.
Where it's been less than a week where they kind of started the demolition, now they already shut it down. So where are we going to be a year from now? It's kind of tough.
The Washington Bridge began just about 10 days ago and progress was evident almost immediately. Rhode Islanders were hopeful that this meant the state would be able to hold to its deadline of January 29th to have the entire demo job complete. But then yesterday, the governor's office, along with the attorney general's office, put out a statement saying that work had to be paused in order to preserve evidence for the legal case. So that refers to the lawsuit that was filed earlier this summer against 13 companies that state attorneys say failed to identify and address structural issues with the bridge that ultimately led to its abrupt closure last December. And for every one resident we spoke with that was frustrated by the demolition now being halted, we found another that was actually relieved by it.
Ever since the demolition started, the noise has been kind of an issue. You know, late at night when people are trying to sleep, it's kind of shaking houses and you can hear the jackhammering and stuff. So, you know, it's definitely affecting people.
All right, so at least a little bit of reprieve for those nearby residents for a little while, presumably, but we honestly don't know because RIDOT has not made clear how long this pause on the demolition is going to take. We'll make sure to stay on top of them and let you know when they give us an update. In the meantime, coming up next half hour, we're going to go ahead and talk about how some of these road closures that were going to be put in place this week have been paused now that the demo project has been paused and how that might affect your morning commute. And we're going to hear from two of the East Providence City Councilors who are meeting this news of the pause with some mixed reaction. Lots to get to. I'll see you right back here next half hour. For now, in East Providence, Erica Ritchie, 12 News.
For 1 week, it was full steam ahead as the broken side of the Washington Bridge, the westbound side, started to come down. But yesterday, the work came to a screeching halt. State officials say they have a reason for this. They need to preserve legal evidence. Erica Ritchie live right now, right near the bridge in East Providence. What's the latest?
Yeah, definitely quiet here this morning. It's evident that the work has stopped, and I suppose that's good news for everyone that lives around this area that's been complaining about the noise for the last 10 days or so since it's been going on. But now it's done, at least for the time being, while crews work to get evidence put together that they'll need, they say, to take to court. So they're looking to hold 13 companies accountable for the bridge's abrupt closure last December. In a lawsuit filed earlier in the summer, state attorneys allege that there were multiple failures over multiple years to bring problems with the bridge to the Rhode Island Department of Transportation's attention and to recommend proper remedies. Now, yesterday, when we asked Providence City councilors about the state's decision to halt demolition right now, one told us he wants RIDOT to be held accountable as well. That was Councilor Rick Lawson. He said in part, sadly, I'm not surprised. EP is getting crushed with this bridge debacle. Has anyone at RIDOT been held accountable yet? Well, Councilor Frank Rigo told us in his own statement, it is disappointing news as it will only delay the process of the new bridge, he says. This will continue to impact the residents of East Providence access to hospitals and continue to affect the merchants of the city. With that said, I respect the AG's decision to protect the state in this tragic event and hopefully lead to the state to recoup any money for the state. A little bit more understanding there. Now, important to note for your morning commute, there were some road closures that were planned by RIDOT to accommodate for this demolition project. They were supposed to begin last night and run through 11 o'clock next Monday morning in the area of Waterfront Drive. Because the demolition project has been put on hold, those road closures have been put on hold as well. So if you commute in and around that Waterfront Drive area this week where you were supposed to have some detours, that's not going to be the case for you. That's the latest live in East Providence this morning. Erica Ritchie, 12 News.